If you're looking for a premium pump, look no further. Zoeller offers a complete line of submersible pumps. From the market-leading epoxy powder-coated cast iron submersible pump with industry-proven switch to more economical thermoplastic sump pumps that are perfect for new construction. One of the most asked-for sump pumps in the plumbing market is a Zoeller pump, and for good reason. From the small yet durable 3/10 horsepower to powerful dewatering pumps designed to handle even the largest of demands, Zoeller pumps are designed, machined, and assembled in the USA. Zoeller maintains a high level of quality by 100% factory testing each pump underwater prior to being shipped to the customer. This testing allows Zoeller to guarantee that the pump will operate out of the box every time. Zoeller offers one of the broadest lines of sump pump backup systems in the industry. From water-powered backups designed to pump water with water to higher performance 12-volt DC systems, or even complete pre-packaged systems with a submersible primary pump installed with a 12-volt backup system ready to install right out of the box. Don't get swamped by a flooded basement. Visit your local Zoeller plumbing distributor to see what everyone is talking about.
Video Shopping Network, an Amazon affiliate. To see this product on Amazon, click the link in the video description below. You'll be able to see current pricing, product previews, and any special deals. Desktop users should see the Amazon quick link below the video. Mobile users will need to click the little down arrow below the video first.